If you want to vibe while coding and make your workflow super smooth, let me show you how to do it completely free using Cline and the Gemini API. First, open Visual Studio Code. On the left sidebar, click the extensions icon and search for Cline. It's one of the best free AI coding assistants available right now. Click Install, and once it's done, you'll see the Cline icon on your sidebar. Now here's the fun part, connecting it to Gemini, Google's AI model. Go to your browser and search for Google AI Studio Gemini API Key. Log in with your Google account and click Get API Key. Copy the key that appears. Then go back to VS Code. Open Cobra's settings and paste your Gemini API key in the API section. Boom! You just connected free AI power to your VS Code. Now you can start vibe coding. Open a file, click Cline Chat, and talk to it like a real coding partner. You can say things like, write a clean function to sort this array, or explain what this code does, or build a simple website layout. Cobra will instantly generate, edit, or debug your code all inside VS Code. The best part? You're using the Gemini model for free, with no subscriptions or limits. So yeah, install Cobra, add your Gemini API key, and start coding with real vibes. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more free AI tools and coding hacks. See you in the next one.